Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart POCO M8. Okay, we have two methods how we can restart our POCO M8. I'll show you both methods. Let's begin with the recommended method, which is a reboot using the power menu. To do it, we need to launch the power menu first. We do it by clicking power button and volume up button at the same time, just like that. Now simply drag this white ball into the reboot function. If you release your finger right now, your device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on again and everything will be ready to use. When it comes to the second method, it's called forced restart, and it's recommended, for example, when our whole device is lagged, frozen, basically when it's unresponsive and we cannot do anything, our touchscreen doesn't work. To perform a forced restart, we also need to use power button and volume up button, but this time we need to hold both buttons at the same time until the screen turns off. When it turns off, simply release the fingers from buttons and the device will be turned on again. So let me show you. Hold both buttons. And when the screen turns off, release the fingers, and now our device will be turned on within a few seconds. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.